Hey everyone, welcome to Net Nimble. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable Snapchat Spotlight. Open the Snapchat app on your phone. You'll be on the camera screen. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner, then tap the Settings gear icon in the top right. In Settings, scroll down and tap Notifications under the My Account section. Scroll down and find Spotlight and Snap Map Submissions. Disable this option to stop Snapchat Spotlight notifications. This prevents notifications about snaps submitted to Spotlight and SnapMap. Now, go back to the main camera screen. Tap the Spotlight icon in the bottom right corner to access Snapchat Spotlight content. Open any Spotlight story. Tap the three dots on the video, then select Not Interested. Snapchat will now show you less Spotlight content like this. You can repeat this for multiple Spotlight videos to further reduce Spotlight recommendations. While you can't completely remove Snapchat Spotlight from the app, these steps minimize Spotlight notifications and reduce the amount of Spotlight content shown in your feed. And that's how you disable Snapchat Spotlight notifications and reduce Spotlight content. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to Net Nimble for more Instagram tips and discovery tutorials. Thanks for watching.